What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Apple here, which is absolutely flat on Friday. Well, down about 0.34%, which is nothing. But if you look at it, guys, and if you caught this dip, 145.65, exactly down to the support red line 50 SMA, and we held that support and then went back up all the way up to 148, just under orange line 13 SMA, which is a resistance. So going into Monday, guys, watch the support down here 146, also 145.60, and then 145 down here. If we can hold above 146, Apple stock moving higher, and soon as we break 148.30 right here, orange line 13 SMA, we're going to see Apple going back up to 150 and then 152, 155. Definitely possible here on Apple stock going into next week, Monday. If you are looking to buy the dip and possibly day trade Apple stock going into Monday, and if there is a dip down to 146, 145.60, there is a dip buy here on Apple stock going into Monday. Below 145, there is more downside. We might be coming all the way back down to 140 once again. And now we're going to look at Tesla. And Tesla is still moving, guys. On Friday, a lot of consolidation. And if you look at it, we did not give up any support here on Tesla. So we're still holding up nicely. And now we have support right here, right at 189.60, I would say 190, and it's holding nicely, blue line 5 SMA, and below that we also have support here on Tesla at 187.38, and then 186, 184.35, orange line 13 SMA. And Tesla likes to run Monday. Definitely looking forward to play Tesla if there is a dip down to, I would say, 190, 187.38. Tesla holds 190, 187, we're going to see soon Tesla going back up to 200, just like right here on Thursday. And soon as we break 200, even 206, 215, 225, possible here on Tesla. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft also, guys, and if you are subscribed to my channel and following those videos, this is exactly what you got. You do not need whole bunch of alerts in a lot of other stocks to make money in the market if you're day trading. I mean, how easy is that? You're buying 250 here on Microsoft, the dip, and it's holding. I said it before. This was tough to break 250. It took a long time. I mean, almost 2 months to break above 250. And now the stock coming back down to retest that support 250, and it's holding. And if you're buying up the dips at 250, you're making money, because look at this, $5 up from the dip, and it's actually green, 0.13% on the day. Now Microsoft definitely can move even higher, all the way up to 260, and that is gonna be another massive breakout here on Microsoft. We could see 264 to even 270 here on Microsoft, and that could possibly come going into next week. Support down here, strong support, and now also aligned with this blue line 5 SMA, which is going to be right around 250. Below that, we also have support at 245.77, and then 241, 240, 237.37, red line 50 SMA. And now we're going to look at another stock, Meta. So a lot of talks about Meta. They're not profitable. They're not going to make money. Meta is going down to 20 bucks. Well, it's not happening, and looks like we might be going up. And just like I said in my previous video, that we're going to see 124, and that is going to play out as a resistance. And look at this, exactly guys, almost down to the pennies, 124.04, and then we got rejected, and now sitting just under that resistance, sitting at 123.49 at the closing. But this thing was up Friday, 2.53%, $3 on the day, and there is more room to the upside. I think soon as we break 124, we're going to see Meta going up to 128 and possibly closing this entire gap up here. Downside support we have now at 120, white line 20 SMA, below that 118, down here at 116, all the way down to 114, and then 112 right here where we held before. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon stock is down on Friday 1.43%, and this one here under $95 right now. We're actually sitting right on this white line 20 SMA, sitting at 94, and that needs to hold going into next week Monday. If not, we're coming back down to 90 and then possibly going even lower. Amazon needs to get above 95. If we can hold that as a support here on Amazon, then Amazon going back up to 97 to even 100 once again. And then once this Bollinger Band starts to expand to the upside, we're going to see Amazon going back up to even 105 and possibly 110. This gap up here will definitely get filled at some point, and Amazon, if you're going long term, definitely a dip buy at this level. So watch this big support where we closed on Friday, 94, right on this white line 20 SMA. Below that, we could be coming all the way back down to $90, and that's going to be a better entry to go long here on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Google. So Google stock still, guys, holding up above 100, and this is looking great. Google can move even higher going into Monday. If there is a dip here on Google stock down to, I would say, 97 right here, red line 50 SMA, or down here at 96, those are some strong buy zone here on Google going into next week Monday. But 100 holds, which is a big support level, we're going to see Google going back up to 103, and this gap up here will get filled completely, and then Google can move even higher back up to 105, and then in next few days even 109 is possible here on Google stock. Only time I'll be concerned Google breaks under 95.87, or I would say 96, white line 20 SMA, then we're coming back down and possibly going down to $90 again to fill this gap down here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Watch those levels going into next week Monday on 6 big tech stocks, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. Have a great weekend, everybody.